Hi everyone, it's Richard here from richardpayne.ca and it's Market Watch Wednesday and the weather is amazing in Halifax. And also we've just come off a huge weekend for investors because we've had the initial Halifax Investor Forum, which was a monster success, over 160 people. Big shout out to Canadian Real Estate Wealth magazine for teaming up with me to bring the whole thing to Halifax. But now let's move on to the Halifax Market Watch Wednesday and see what's going on. So what we've seen from last week to this week in terms of the month-to-date numbers is a real drop in the amount of inventory, because last week we were sitting there with 43 weeks of inventory for single-family homes. So there's been a huge amount of activity, lots and lots of sales. Average price has gone up for the single-family homes, so they're sitting at 285 at the moment. Days on market is sitting around about 82 days on market, but the big shift is that the inventory, so much has been sold that we've actually dropped 5 weeks. Just in 1 week, we dropped 5 weeks off the inventory that was there. So we're down to only 38 weeks of inventory. Still quite a bit of inventory, but the big change is, wow, a lot of stuff must have got sold to bring us from 43 to 38. So real change there. We've already mentioned the single family home price. Condos, similar kind of thing really. What they've seen though has not been a lot sold. There's only been about 11-12 properties sold, but a real increase in price, because they're sitting now at $216,000 with a $16,000 increase in price. So real shift in what's really going on in the market. Now the big thing for the multifamilies is a decrease in the average price, but there's only been 9 properties sold so far, and all it takes is 2 or 3 of the $290,000 duplexes to sell to bring the whole thing down. So they've dropped $16,000 off the price. You know, they were at 400 and something. They're now sitting at just under 395,000. But again, for the investors, I wouldn't worry too much about it. So that's really what's been going on in the market. Real big shift and an awesome weekend for the investors. So people are picking up the activity big time right now in Halifax. So if you need to get a hold of me, please do, 489-1804. And don't forget, you can email me, richard@richardpayne.ca, because we're here to make real estate simple.